Have you ever been in a sauna? That's what it can feel like along the southeastern coast here in the summer. I thought I would take you along with me and give you a little bit of a feel of what it's like painting outside on location midsummer. And this morning I was painting with a friend at Battery Park on Tybee Island, right at the edge of the marsh, where we could look back towards Fort Pulaski in the distance. And while the morning started out cool and pleasant and breezy, you can see the wave of the shrubs there on the edge. By 11:30, that breeze had died and the sauna was going full blast. But as uncomfortable as the humidity can be, it creates really beautiful, rich atmospheric effects. The colors are incredible. All of that moisture in the air makes the distant shoreline look really beautifully blue-green. It's a blue-green haze. And the other thing that's unique about this time of year here is the color of the light. Most of the time it's golden, kind of a golden orange here in the southeast, but in summer, especially high summer, it's white light for most of the day, but especially late morning, early afternoon, which just adds to that sense of building heat. White light, humidity, and the buzzing of cicadas. That is a low country summer morning. Hope you've enjoyed being along and that you enjoy the final painting. Thanks for being here. Bye-bye for now.